1, 2, 1, 2. Please be seated. Thank you. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Lyde Court here in Herefordshire, where you've been invited by Matt and Delyth to join with them in the celebration of their marriage. And I'm sure that it means a great deal to them to have you all here to share in their special day. My name is Ian Hassel, and as Deputy Superintendent Registrar, it is my very great pleasure to be here to conduct the marriage ceremony today. My friend and colleague is Sue Lation James, and as Registrar, she has the most important job of ensuring the legality of the marriage and to record this event for all time in the marriage register, something that has been carried out since 1837. Bonded over their love of the outdoors, pursuing adventure and pushing themselves to their limits. They have supported each other to realise their dreams, one of them being their journeys to become an Iron Man. And now we have two Iron Mans, or two Iron Men, standing here today. 2020 has been a strange year, and their path to getting married hasn't been straightforward. But they are happy to be fulfilling their vows today and can't wait to spend the rest of their lives together with their little Labrador, Sky. That's lovely. Since meeting, Matt and Delyth's relationship has gone from strength to strength, and promises made to one another privately are to be reaffirmed before us here today. They have called you together to make their commitment clear to you and to call on your acknowledgement and support. This place in which you are now met has been duly sanctioned according to law for the celebration of marriages, and you are here to witness the joining in matrimony of Matt and Delyth. Before that can happen, I must ask that if any person present knows of any lawful impediment to this marriage, then it should be declared now. Silence, isn't that lovely? Just what we want, just what we want. Now, Matt, is your full name Matthew James Bruchette?
It is.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Joseph, sorry. Apologies. Matthew Joseph Bruchette. I've got that written down. Delyth. Is your full name Delyth Lewis?
Yes.
Thank you. Before you are joined in matrimony, I have to remind you of the vows you are about to make. For marriage in this country means the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life and to the exclusion of all others. Each marriage is unique and is to be treasured. It is a partnership in which two people proclaim their love and commitment to each other. It requires trust and devotion, giving unconditional love and being open, honest, and understanding. Marriage means making a sincere commitment to share yourselves, your hopes and aspirations, and to give support and encouragement as your relationship grows and develops. It is a statement to all those around you of the love, friendship, and support that you wish to share for the rest of your lives. A successful marriage requires mutual support, cooperation, and trust. Sharing responsibilities and working through the difficult times which all couples face. It is a partnership which requires honesty, patience, and a good deal of humour as well. In marriage, being the right partner is as important as finding the right partner. Now, Matt and Delyth, I'm now going to ask you in turn to declare that you do not know of any legal reason why you should not be married to each other, and it falls to the groom to go first. So, Matt, would you reply "I am" to the following question? Are you, Matthew Joseph Bruchette, free lawfully to marry Delyth Lewis?
I am.
Thank you. Delyth, it's your turn now. Are you, Delyth Lewis, free lawfully to marry Matthew Joseph Bruchette?
I am.
Thank you. The vows which Matt and Delyth are about to exchange will not be entered into unadvisedly, but with respect, love, and commitment in their hearts. To acknowledge the importance of this moment, may I ask you to stand, please? Matt and Delyth, these vows will join your lives, uniting you as husband and wife. The words are formal and legal, a public pledge of your love, and a promise of lifelong dedication to one another. When two people commit to a marriage, they choose to turn their two lives into one. You have chosen to make this commitment to each other as a means to nurture your love and companionship. Would you turn to face each other, please? And again, would you repeat after me? And Matt, if you go first, please. I, Matthew Joseph Bruchette,
I, Matthew Joseph Bruchette,
take you, Delyth Lewis,
take you, Delyth Lewis,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Thank you. Now, Delyth, it's your turn. I, Delyth Lewis,
I, Delyth Lewis,
take you, Matthew Joseph Bruchette,
take you, Matthew Joseph Bruchette,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
Thank you. Please be seated. The wedding ring is a perfect circle, representing wholeness, eternity, and peace. For centuries, the giving and receiving of a ring has been the outward sign of the vows and promises couples have made to one another on their wedding day, as it symbolizes unending and everlasting love, and is a tradition which Matt and Delyth wish to follow here today. If I could ask Keith to come forward with the rings, please. And Matt, if you could take the ring for Delyth and place it on the third finger of her left hand, and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love for each other
as a symbol of our love for each other
and of our future married life.
and of our future married life.
I promise to care for you with love and friendship,
I promise to care for you with love and friendship,
to support and comfort you
to support and comfort you
through good times
through good times
and through troubled
and
times,
through troubled times,
to respect and cherish you,
to respect and cherish you,
and to be faithful
and
always.
to be faithful always.
These promises I make to you
These promises I make to you
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
Thank you. That's great. And now, Keith, if you could present the ring to Delyth for Matt, please. And if you could place it on the third finger of his left hand and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love for each other
as a symbol of our love for each other
and of our future married life.
and of our future married life.
I promise to care for you with love and friendship,
I promise to care for you with love and friendship,
to support and comfort you
to support and comfort you
through good times
through good times
and through troubled
and
times,
through troubled times,
to respect and cherish you
to respect and cherish you
and to be faithful
and
always.
to be faithful always.
These promises I make to you
These promises I make to you
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
Thank you. This is something that I wish for both of you today. May the sun bring you new energy by day. May the moon softly restore you by night. May the rain wash away your worries and the breeze blow new strength into your being. All the days of your life, may you walk gently through the world and know its beauty. Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth for the other. Now there will be no loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion, and may your days together be good and long upon this earth. Matt and Delyth, your marriage has now joined your lives as a partnership. May you treasure this trust and responsibility. The declarations you have made are the ones prescribed by law, as you have made a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of your witnesses. And now it gives me the very greatest of pleasure to be able to announce that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations. You may kiss your bride. Well done, yeah, well done. Now I'm going to hand over to Sue for the signing of the register. We would ask that no pictures are taken during the signing. We will set up a mock signing afterwards for some pictures if that's okay. But do come forward.
Congratulations. Take a seat.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. How long will I hold you? As long as your father told you, as long as you can. How long will I give to you? As long as I live through you. However long you say. How long will I love you? And longer if I may. How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you.
How many times can I tell you you're lovely just the way you are? Don't let the world come and change you. Don't let life break your heart. Don't put on their mask, don't wear their disguise. Don't let them dim the light that shines in your eyes. If only you could love yourself the way that I love you. How many times can I say you don't have to change a thing? Don't let the tide wash you away. And don't let worry ever clip your wings. Discard what is fake and keep what is real. Pursue what you love, embrace how you feel. If only you could love yourself the way that I love you. And if you ever choose a road that leads nowhere, all alone, and you can't see right from wrong, and if you ever lose yourself out there, come on home, and I'll sing you this song. So how many times can I tell you you're lovely just the way you are? Don't let the world
Right. Give you a bouquet. It's lovely. Stand there now. So this brings us to the end of our ceremony, but before we go, I'd just like, on behalf of Sue and myself, to say many congratulations to you both and wish you a very long and happy life together and lots of fun being Iron Men, as I'm sure you will. And I hope you have a lovely time celebrating here today, but also, importantly, next year when all your family and friends are together. So have a wonderful time and congratulations. And please, let's put our hands together and welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Bruchette. it was really intimate, wasn't it? It was lovely. Thank you.
Never had my photo taken before. Oh dear.
Sorry.
I've never had my photo taken before.
Oh no, it's rather nice, isn't it?